clean out my fridge with me. Here I am with some hot soapy water and my Rubbermaid scrubber. I'm going in and attacking all the stuck on, left on places from my beautiful, loving family. They absolutely love making these little messes for me so that I can tidy them up and they can see before and afters. I am just sure that that is why they do this. So all I used was some vinegar, some hot soapy water with a little bit of Dawn dish soap, and some elbow grease. I just wiped everything down, took everything out, got rid of a bunch of expired stuff, put like things with like things, and organized it so that my kids can find their things for lunches and snacks, etc. And the things that they don't use, I put up on the higher shelves, of course. So I think this took me about 15 minutes total. If you need just a little bit of motivation or inspiration to do one small thing that makes you feel a little bit better, take this as your sign to do one small thing that will make you feel better today.